The leopard, the most dangerous cat in the world, known for its leopard skin, but not for its killer instinct. A true beast of the wild, it aims to hunt down its prey without an obstacle in sight. There, prey. The leopard sees his chance, an oblivious pig grazing in the field. The leopard stalks the pig, trying to flank his rancid ass. Starving, the cheetah edges ever closer to the hog, running on its dainty little paw feet, not knowing what might happen to him. When suddenly a fight, a battle to the death between the wolf and the beast. An intense scrimmage. It looks like the leopard might have bit off more than he could chew. Furiously roll around the concrete, knuckle dusters flailing, before it becomes evident just who has won the battle. Emerging victorious, the pig goes for a swim in the lake of souls before the ghost of his recent enemy pays him one last visit.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine.